Thy Reaper asks, do you have an option to buy just the LED strips since I've already bought the kit? Well, as of today, yes you do. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're wondering, where the f has this guy been for the past 5 months? Call yourself a YouTuber? Now, listen here. I ain't no YouTuber. I'm a serial business owner, alright? I just happen to make YouTube videos and a lot of you awesome people seem to support me for some strange reason. Previously, if you owned a LightMode helmet and you wanted a newer look, or you wanted to change the color, or you just wanted to illuminate a second helmet, you had to buy a whole nother kit. Now, you can purchase an accessory pack for a fraction of the price and use your existing LightMode controller. So today, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside one of these accessory packs. I'm gonna also show you guys how to remove an existing LightMode kit from a helmet and replace it with the lights from the pack. Let's do this. Here's everything that comes in an accessory pack. You get the light strips that you ordered. So in this particular accessory pack, we got the Evo lights. You can also get them in the grid or the blade. We've also got some extra adhesives here. We got a mount in case you want to put this accessory pack on a second helmet. So there's that. We got some extension wires here in case you lost your old ones. And last but not least, we got some decals over here if you want to rep the team. Gonna trigger a bunch of you by saying decals and not decals, but hey, sue me, I'm in Canada. So since this LightMode helmet has 2 LightMode kits on it, we're gonna keep up the little tradition here and we're gonna install a second accessory pack onto this helmet. So we're gonna have 2 controllers and 2 accessory packs. So here we have Aqua Evos, and then in this one, we're gonna be installing red blades. So I think it might look pretty cool if you could, when we combine the 2. So let's get started with that. We come. The accessory packs, as you know, come with 2 mounts, but we might be able to reuse the 2 mounts on here. So one way to help you remove the lights a little easier is to use a blow dryer, and that's what I'm gonna do. You don't need one, but hey, you know what? If you got one, or if your girlfriend's got one, just borrow it. There we go. Anyways, let's begin. So as you can see, the light strip left a lot of residue left on this helmet. Sometimes it comes off really clean, sometimes it doesn't. For this particular case, if you have residue left over like that, all you gotta do is take the existing light strip and kind of pat it down, and you pick up a lot of the residue by simply just letting it stick to the adhesive under the light strip, just like that. You see it comes off pretty easily. Technically, the lights that you just took off will still turn on, as you can see, but the problem is they're now a little bit warped and deformed from taking them off. So they're not really reusable, unfortunately. So when you take them off, just know that you're gonna have to throw them away. The next thing you wanna do is just take any generic cleaner and microfiber and give your helmet a good clean to get all of that residue off. So now that the helmet is fully clean, I want to address a concern that I get a lot from you guys. Probably one of the most common questions I get asked is, does this particular LightMode kit fit on my particular helmet? And the answer is most likely yes, but if you're not sure, there's a link in the description below where you can print out a PDF template, cut out the shapes, and stick the light shapes on your helmet to see if it fits before you buy. Now, what was I gonna say? You know what, I forgot. Let's move on to the next phase. Let's stick those lights on the helmet, light it up. I want to do a quick check in the dark to make sure it looks good. Here it is. Oh man, yeah, definitely digging it. Let's do the other side and get this install finished. Does that look symmetrical to you guys? Alright, this is the first time I've ever put 6 lights on one motorcycle helmet, so let's check it out.
The human has been neutralized.
Dude, I'm digging it. Like, look at this angle right there. I would trade a box of macaroni and a cheese stick and I'd probably pack a gum for one of these. Let me just give you guys a quick close-up so you can see it here. Front view, tilted down. Right side, tilted down. The back side, top. Alright, so I'm going to be featuring some LightMode riders on this YouTube channel. Basically, if you have an Instagram account and a LightMode helmet, just use hashtag LightMode. I'm going to be searching through there, and if I find a picture or photo that I like, I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in the next video and feature you guys. So for today, this video, we are featuring Robert Dan Jr. on Instagram. Congratulations, you are the very first featured LightMode rider. Robert here, he's got a Yamaha R6. And he lives in Chicago, I believe, yep. And he's got an Icon Airflight with a blue Neutron Evo kit on it, and it looks hella sick. I featured him once already on the LightMode Helmet's Instagram page, and today now we're featuring him on YouTube. So go check him out, he's got some cool content on there, and if you want to be featured, like I said, use the hashtag LightMode and upload a photo or a video on your Instagram. Let's do this. On to the night shoot, let's go!
Hello. Good.
Hello.
I'm not interrupting, am I?
No, actually.
That's a cool helmet.
You like it?
Yeah, that's awesome. Do you have a card?
You know what?
You know what?
Can I give this to you?
You know what could be pretty cool?
Yeah.
On our police, or what's the company called again?
Here, you know what? Little card nowadays.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Get one for my kids' helmets. Bike helmets, that'd be great.
Canadian company.
Awesome. Yeah. Take care, guys. Be safe.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, you heard it. Cops love it. me a rev. No, give me a rev. There you go.